Hi, everybody. Happy Tuesday. I hope you're excited about getting started with science. Yay, science. We're going to start our first science unit is going to be force and motion. And we're going to start off today talking about two different types of energy, potential and kinetic energy. And then we're also going to move into Newton's laws of motion. Hopefully you started off by watching the video the difference between potential and kinetic energy. So let's just review a little bit of that vocabulary that you learned from the video. One of the most important things that we need to know is energy and what energy is. And energy is the ability to do work or to cause change. Now remember, it's not always something that is working, but it's the ability to work or ability to cause change. Then our other two vocabulary words were potential energy and kinetic energy. And potential energy is that energy that has the potential to cause motion. It's stored energy. In the video, you saw the lady and she was holding the ball in her hand. The ball had potential energy at that point. But then as soon as she dropped it and it started moving, that was kinetic energy. That was the energy of motion because it was moving. And if you look at the roller coaster example here, if you've been on a roller coaster, you know when you get to the top of a big hill, it kind of pauses just for a second before it starts going downhill really fast. So potential energy is energy that has potential to cause motion and it's stored. Kinetic is when something is moving. So let's do a little exercise and practice this. And you guys are going to think, and I'm going to try to read your minds to decide where to put these little boxes. We're not going to put a check. We're going to do a box. So potential and kinetic energy at the top. Put a check to indicate whether each picture is showing potential or kinetic energy. Remember, potential energy has the potential to cause motion, and kinetic energy is in motion. All right, so right here, this picture, we have a baseball player, and he is hitting a baseball. So would that be potential or kinetic? He's hitting a baseball. Yeah, absolutely. That's going to be kinetic energy. That's energy in motion. How about skateboarding? Now, this skateboard is moving, it looks like pretty fast. Oh, sorry, not skateboarding, sandboarding. I just realized there were no wheels on it. Sandboarding. And she looks like she's going really fast, right? So that's going to be another example of kinetic energy, energy in motion. Now, here's a car, but notice it says it's a parked car. Parked car. Parked car's not moving, right? So that's going to be potential energy. All right, let's see if we can scroll down and do these others. All right, a ball sitting on green. It's not falling into the hole, it's just sitting there. That be potential energy or kinetic energy? Oh, you're right, it is potential energy. How about a dog that is resting? He's very cute. He's just resting. Potential or kinetic? Yep, you got it. Potential energy. Now, if this dog jumps up and runs over to lick you, then that's kinetic energy, right? And spraying water out of the hose. You're probably spraying water on your mom or your brother or sister or probably just having fun, spraying water out of the hose. Potential or kinetic energy? You got it. Kinetic energy. Great job. So let's review that vocabulary one more time. Again, the ability to do work or cause change is energy. Energy that has the potential to cause motion. It's stored energy. That is potential energy. And the last one, energy of motion. This is energy that is moving, and that would be kinetic energy. Great job talking about our two types of energy today, potential and kinetic. Next, you're going to move on and watch a video about Sir Isaac Newton's laws of motion.